I'm about to restructure your face with tape and sleep.
See, most of you are actually mouth breathers as you sleep. Studies show it's about 50% of your time you spend breathing through your mouth, which ends up giving you a facial structure called adenoid face. It's an actual term, look it up. Basically, idiot face. Like you look like a dweeb, like an actual dweeb, because you've weakened your facial muscles through breathing through your mouth. You're naturally supposed to breathe through your nose. And when you breathe through your nose as you sleep, not only do you sleep longer and without interruptions, you develop stronger facial muscles. I'll prove it to you instantly. Look what happens when you breathe out through your mouth. Now imagine a whole nighttime of doing that. Imagine a whole lifetime of nights of doing that. Of course your facial muscles get weakened, bro. And you can see, I track my sleep all the time. This is my average sleep schedule. Look how many disturbances I have. Tape your mouth for one night and look just how much better you'll sleep, and do it over the course of your lifetime. You'll build a better face structure.
Number 2, focus on fit and being fit. Look at this. This is me right now in a basic oversized tee without a pump. Look at the drastic difference that I'm about to show you. Let me show you something.
What are you about to do?
I'm gonna pump out like 20 push-ups, get a nice pump.
You think you can do 100?
I could probably do 100. I'm gonna get 100. I'll tell you what. My guy gave me a good idea. I'm gonna do 100. You're probably wondering why I have toilet paper.
Why is there toilet paper on the floor?
So apparently you gotta put a toilet paper so that your chest touches the toilet paper after each rep.
I'm gonna do 100 standard push-ups, 90-degree elbow. Let's make it a deal. If I clear 100, you have to buy our essentials drop, April 1st. I'm talking to you, bro. You, not the guy. My guy's confused. Shake on it. Audience and editors, here we go, 100. This is for you guys. All right, 100 push-ups. You ready? I'm broken. Here we go. All right, so I'm about to pump out 100 push-ups. And the idea here is not that you have to pump out 100 push-ups every time you work out, but to show you instead what happens when your muscles get filled with blood. It's almost like a good reference for what you could look like with consistently going to the gym over a long period of time. When you look like this at all times, after I'm done with these 100 push-ups and you see just how pumped you look, anything you throw on will look good. And that's what I want to prove to you. Oh yeah. No way. I think you miscounted, bro. I'm at 70. We're gonna replay the clip. Ooh. Take some more. I did the extra 5, just in case. That was 105. All right, that tip went longer than what I needed it to. Let me show you the effect though. Damn, I'm feeling thick. 1 second, I'm actually tired. All right, this is the new Essentials tee my man Trey designed. Check out this fit, bro. So now I got the pump, right? Juices are flowing. So the pump is supposed to symbolize years of hard work. This is what your body should look like after going to the gym for an extended period of time. Now, obviously it's wrinkled, it's a sample, I just pulled it out. But whatever shirt you throw on, tell me there's no big difference, bro. When you focus on fit and being fit, whatever you throw on looks godly. Oh, goddamn, I'm out of breath. The point is, boys, our new launch is dropping April 1st. Our new tees, bro, check the thickness of this tee. Man, you can't even tell, can you? You can't appreciate that. My man Trey came through, and this is what I like about this tee. Look, I'm wearing shorts right now. We're looking good. Let me show you the difference. These are Trey's pants too. Tell me this isn't like that old money aesthetic. And when you have a fitted shirt, when you have an athletic body, bro, look how sick these pants are. And you can wear casually too. You can wear it with streetwear. When you have a good fit and a good body frame, bro, dressing up is cake. All right, I now need you to sleep more.
Sleeping is the best way to level yourself up as a man because you're boosting your testosterone levels. It's absolutely free, and I'm gonna prove it to you. I actually have an at-home test kit. So I wear this sleeping tracker. You've probably seen me. I've been wearing it for over a year. This is how much I slept last night on purpose. It was a little bit under 5 hours, so 4 hours and change. You can see just how terribly recovered I am. I'm gonna take the test right now that it's early in the morning, it's about 5 in the morning. Usually your test levels are the highest in the morning. So it is an at-home test kit. Oh, easy. They just require a quick saliva sample. Oh, shoot, that's a lot of saliva. All right, we're gonna speed this up. All right, your boy's done. That was easy. So we put it into this little baggie. That's it. Let's see what I've never tested my test levels, so I'm kind of curious. But just to show you, so this is the open kit. I have a completely sealed kit that we're gonna run tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'm gonna sleep in perfect sleeping conditions. Let me show you. What that means is that I'm gonna bring the temperature down in the room to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. You sleep better in colder rooms. I'm also gonna shut off any external light so I can sleep longer. That includes any artificial light inside the room as well. Alright. That's game changing. Going from 4 hours to getting woken up by the brightness of the sun, game changing, boys. So I'm already feeling great. Like I feel confident. And I'm pretty sure I'm not in my own head. I'm pretty sure that's testosterone running through my body. So we're running the second test right now. So remember, I slept in perfect conditions, completely unbothered. I didn't sleep with anybody. I had the AC the lowest possible, 68, which is ideal. I turned off all the lights. I closed off all the blinds. I wanted it to be pitch black. I slept like a baby. And you can see the numbers here in my Whoop. 8.5 hours. I never sleep 8.5 hours. I feel like a god right now. I feel like I'm unstoppable. All right. Test number 2. All right, let's get it done. All right, I'm gonna fast forward this process because this is unhygienic, bro. There has to be a better way. This sucks. But I'm doing this in the name of science. I'm doing this in the name that if you boost your testosterone levels high enough, and according to studies, it can change up to 20% in a single day. If this is right, I literally just gave you guys free steroids. It's absolutely free, it's natural, and it's gonna make you look better. Testosterone, bro, it's involved with everything. Your bone structure, your strength, your confidence, your motivation as a man. All of that just by sleeping a little more. So if I'm right, you owe me. All right, so my guy Caleb is actually finishing up the video and I just noticed something. I didn't go over my testosterone levels. So we have to show the difference. I pulled up the app, I sent them the screenshots. What's my low free testosterone? This was on the night that I did not sleep right.
You got 69.
69. That's a good number. What's my high number?
You got 121.
My guy, 121. That's just from one night of sleeping right. Imagine a whole lifetime.
All right, you should turn your entire life into a challenge. So we got the men around the office. We try to see who can make the most money on a side hustle. So the rules of the game are simple. So everybody pitched in about $500 into the pot. Whoever makes the most money over the course of a month takes the entire pot. So Thomas made a total of
$240.62.
basically just doing DoorDash and delivering food. I made a total of, I got $375. By putting my car on Turo, now to be fair, it is a Lamborghini, so kind of unfair. And I only really rented it half a day, so barely made any money. Juan
I did 490.
and he low-key cheated because he kind of just sold his old stuff, but hey, he sold it on eBay. I guess that counts. And David, the winner, he was the smartest one. The dude made...
I did 1,500.
Get the hell out of here, bro. By just setting up some modeling gigs and shooting some photography for these models around the city, which goes to show why just learning a skill is so important and how you can easily monetize that. But more importantly, what you should learn is to challenge everything in your life that you want to get better at, whether it's to make more money, whether it's to lose weight, whether it's to gain more muscle, run further, talk to more girls, whatever you want to get better at, grab a group of friends, grab some guys around the workplace, make a pot. Each one can dump $500, $100, whatever the limit is, and whoever wins that challenge takes it. Because you as men thrive under competition. This has been studied. There's actual studies over this. And the dopamine hit you get when you win the pot, you will chase forever. And even when you lose, you will not like the feeling and you will continue to chase it in the real world. And the interesting part, in the real world, when you turn your life into into a challenge, consistently challenging yourself when there's no one else around, you won't be chasing a pot. You'll be chasing the satisfaction of who you have to become to complete that challenge. The next one is to not just do your basic skincare. Obviously, you have to wash your face, you have to exfoliate, you have to moisturize. I want you to take it a step further. Actually, I'm gonna give you 2 secrets that I know you're not probably doing that will drastically change your skin. Starting with a chemical peel. You can get these on Amazon. These are amazing. So they have an acid built in. This specific one is a lactic acid, and how a chemical peel works is super simple. You apply it on your face, use some sort of pad or whatever. As you apply, it's gonna start penetrating your skin and your pores. It's basically lifting up a topical layer of your skin, like legit, almost like burning it off. After about a minute, you just rest for about a minute or 2, depending on what the instructions say, you can actually just peel it off. You will see a dramatic change to your skin. And the second thing, this is pretty much free. It's ice cubes, bro. You can use something like this. This is a sample we're using for heat grooming, but just grabbing ice, do this daily, either at night or in the morning, and just rubbing it on your face. Not only is it soothing and relaxing, bro, but the cold ice will reduce inflammation and redness to make your face look tighter and more structured. You do that, plus remove that old layer of your skin, that's you taking your skincare to the next level.